The lifeblood of any successful factory is the mix of skilled labor, materials, and machinery. The Air Force Lifecycle Management Center factory is similar, but our production line is a little different. It runs on knowledge and knowledge-based processes. I'm Lynn Eviston, Director of LCMC Plans and Programs. Our Directorate, XP, supports our production line in two major ways: by ensuring resources are in place and by implementing standardized processes. To ensure resources are in place in our factory, we use what's known as a requirements resource analysis. We look at how much manpower is needed for incoming work, how work changes over time, and the allocation and skill sets necessary to perform the work. In the past, centers have used a variety of tools and models, which produced a list of winners and losers. All the tools and models have shortfalls, and we're combating those by taking on the challenge of better understanding and planning our incoming and changing workload. Our Business Operations Division, XPO, is leading the charge while simultaneously engaged in an equally important process called the Program Objective Memorandum, or POM. The POM ensures the primary resources, the knowledge workforce and infrastructure, are where they need to be to perform the mission. In today's fiscal environment, the linkage of these processes requires our full attention to make sure we get the most from our scarce resources. XPO's sister division, Strategic Planning and Transformation, or XPT, focuses on the second major responsibility of our directorate: standardizing our work processes. XPT's priority is to continue the center's tenet of speed with discipline by keeping up the momentum in developing and fielding standardized processes. We've put in place nearly all the processes that are critical to FOC. The remainder, about 40, will be finished this calendar year. Use of standard processes is a necessity across the center, no matter where you work. Just like in the factory, the predictability of that final product is dependent on standard work applied in a disciplined manner. Embracing the philosophy of speed with discipline will improve our consistency and reduce variation of the output, making us more effective and efficient. Analogies only go so far. The XP team continues to work hard to understand how much work is in the factory, to allocate adequate resources to match the workload, and finally to apply standard, lean processes in order to deliver to our commitments and maintain the warfighter's edge.